Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen footage in Davinci Resolve. So firstly, open your Davinci Resolve. Then the first thing that I would like is to add my background clip to the timeline. Then I will simply drag my green screen footage on top of my background footage, as you can see over here. Now just simply go to a point where your green screen footage is clearly visible, something over here. Now after that, just simply go to your color tab over here. Now over here, the next thing that you have to do is just simply right click on any blank space on this panel, then click on add alpha output. Now just simply connect the blue dots over here from this place to this place like this. Now just simply click on the dropper icon over here, then pick the first dropper, then just simply click on the green screen, and as you can see, it made a reverse effect. So to change this, what you can do is just simply click on this icon over here and the effect will be changed. Now as you can see, there is harsh green borders surrounding our green screen footage. So in order for you to fix that, so what you will do is just simply decrease the in-out ratio over here, let's say to -100. Now increase the blur radius. Now I will not make a lot of changes in the blur ratio because I will do it in the touch up. If not, it will look a bit bad. So just simply make a little slight adjustments. Then after doing that, just simply click on the feather option over here. Then just simply click on your green screen footage and it's all now gone. Now just simply go to edit tab, and now when you play back your footage, this green screen is completely gone. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.